On a certain island, the tax T paid on an income of I dollar is given by the formula T equals to 0.2I minus 50. How much tax is paid on an income of A, $1,000, B, $625, C, what income would have a tax of $450? Solution. Now, we write out the formula. T equals to 0.2I minus 50. Now, how much tax is paid on an income of $1,000? So in this case, for the income, we have I. Income is denoted by I from the formula. So we have I equals to what? $1,000. Now we want to look for T. T represents the tax. So in this case, T will be equal to what? 0.2. Anywhere we see I, we substitute 1,000. Then minus 50. Now, 0.2 is the same thing as what? 2 divided by 10. Then times 1,000 minus 50. Now, 10 here 1, 10 in 1,000, what do we have? That is 100. So in this case, 2 times 100, what do we have? That's 200 minus 50. Now 200 minus 50, what are we having? 150. So it means this is $150. So now we can now say that when the income is $1,000, then the tax is $150 for the B part of the problem. B part of the problem, for the B part, we have I to be equals to $625, and we asked to find the value of T. How do we get the value of T? We still go back to the same formula to get the value of T. Go back to the same formula, so we have T to be equals to, anywhere we see I, we substitute 625. So we have 0.25 into bracket 625 minus 50. So what do we have? This is like 0.25, same thing as 2 divided by 10. Then times 625 minus 50. So 625 times 2, what are we having? 2 times 5, that's 10. Then we carry 1. 2 times 2, what do we have? 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now 2 times 6 will give us 12. So this is 1,250 divided by 10 minus 50. So what do we have? 1,250 divided by 10, that is 125. Then minus 50. 125 minus 50, what are we having? That is $75. So it means that when the income is 625, then the tax is $75. So for us to solve C, the C of the question, we have what income would have a tax of $450? So in this case, we have T to be equals to 0.2 I minus 50. So in this case, we are going to substitute. That is, we are now given T, which is the tax here, 450. but we don't know the income. We are asked to find the income, that is I. So in this case, anywhere we see T here, we put 450. So we have 450 equals to 0.2I minus 50. So in this case, what are we going to do? We are going to collect the line time because we are having a simple equation. We transfer minus 50 to this side. So we have 450 minus 50, that is plus 50. When transfer minus 50 to this side, become plus 50. Equals to 0.2I. 450 plus 50, what are we having? That is 500. So in this case, equals to 0.2I. Now, for us to find I, we are going to divide both sides by 0.2. So we have 500 divided by 0.2 is equals to 0.2I divided by what? 0.2. So is 0.2 here 1, is 0.2 here 1. So it means that 500 divided by 0.2, we can write this as what? Using division symbol to represent the division line, 0.2. And a 0.2 is a number that is less than 1, and that can be converted to a proper fraction. What is 0.2 in proper fraction? That is 2 divided by 10. So this is equals to I. So in this case, this is 500. We are going to change the division symbol now to multiplication. Times, then the denominator will become the numerator, while numerator will become denominator when you are converting division to multiplication. So this will be times 10 divided by 2. So in this case, this equals to I. Now, 2 here 1, 2 in 500, that will give us 250. So we now have here 250 times 10, that is 2,500 equals to I. So in this case, when the tax is 450 naira, then the income equals to $2,500. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.